Everyone, it's Elisa from Photobox Designs. I want to show you a quick tutorial on how to increase the size of the canvas of your um, in the box, inside the photo box templates. It's pretty easy. Someone in our group inside the photo box, Photoshop and Photography group on Facebook asked this question, so I said to make a quick little video. She wanted to have some legs hanging over the box that were extending down on the bottom and didn't have enough canvas room on the bottom of her template. So quick and easy is all you have to do is I'm going to highlight the bottom where it says 9. This is a template, a 9 square template. It's pretty popular. There are clipping masks. You can see that. That's a totally optional use of this template. There's also a grid at the bottom. So what you would do is you would go to, I'm highlighting that bottom layer. I'm going to go to the crop tool, click on the crop tool, and now I want to make sure that I am at the ratio of a square. You could change the ratio, of course, to an 8x10, a 4x6, and do if you want to change your template. It's a pretty similar way of doing it, but we're just going to be using the same aspect ratio, a square, and I'm going to just drag out the sides and try and center it so that I have the same amount of canvas all the way around, and bring this template, this is that layer, that grid layer, to the center so that it's dispersed. And I'm going to also press content aware at the top here, because then what it should do is it should fill in this layer with white. So press the check mark and it is working. Of course, you're going to have to just make sure that you accurately place this in the middle so that you have the same amount. I'm just doing this fast, but you would want to make sure that you have an even amount of canvas around the edges. And now, voila, you have a canvas that is larger. So you still have the clipping masks, should still be in the same spot because all you did was increase the size, but you did not change where these clipping masks are. And your directions are still there. And now you have a lot more space around your canvas. And that's it. Hope that was quick and simple. And hope if you have any questions, reach out to me, Elisa at Photobox Designs.